Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm back on site, back to the bathroom renovation in Dominica, and I've actually made a quick start this morning. I've started on the shower, trying to get the valve out, and so I managed to sort of get a part of it out. I'm just trying. I wanted to see if I could actually just replace this valve, because basically the handle was broken off. Okay, and I've got it out. I went out to the store, struggling to get it. I managed to get the broken bit out, the screw bit, so I might be able to still salvage this and get sort of just like a new tap handle and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to try and do. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to have to rip the whole thing out of the wall, which I'm trying to avoid, and sort of replace it all. So I don't know. I think I'm leaning towards just sort of ripping it all out, really, and just sort of starting back again. So I did pick up a new sort of tap and valve and everything, but because this is buried in concrete, I got to make a massive hole in the concrete around the window just to sort of dig it out, to unthread the old unit and fit it in. So it's a bit of a mammoth job, but I'm thinking I'm probably going to end up taking it all out. So I'll show you what it looks like now. I've removed the pipe. I just went and picked up some new pipe as well, so I'll show you what it looks like, and to make a bit more sense. So here we go. This is the new the bit. So this is where basically this screws in here, screws into the wall there, and basically you can see where I've taken out the old threaded pipe, which I need to replace, and you can see all of this is sort of cemented in, loads of it. So you can see some of the pipe here. This pipe actually sticks out slightly proud of the wall, so whatever I do, I'm gonna have to sort of do some sort of corner curve with the tile. I don't know. It's just the whole wall is sort of curved. The pipe is not deep enough in. I can't get this old pipe out of the concrete. There's just no way that's happening. So yeah, it doesn't make sense now me doing all what I was hoping to do, but I'm going to get the grinder and the chisel out. I think I might actually just try and remove this and just replace it. So I'm going to have a go, and I'll let you know how I get on in a minute. Alright guys, so results so far. I've managed to sort of break that out, and I also cut the old one off, as you can see there. So I can sort of put the new one in with a new one of these, thread it on, and then glue it onto that. So yeah, I'm gonna try that now. So I'm gonna just turn the water on for a second, because I've got some dust that's gone in there. Just shoot that out, then I'll fit the new one on here. I'll show you guys what the new one looks like. Well, this is the body of it anyway. It's a bit longer. It's got sort of like a long sort of handle sleeve that goes over that knob to turn it. So this will basically go back in here like that. Alright guys, so this was result. Managed to get it in, and see, it's fitted nice. So you can see I've glued this sleeve here, which is threaded into this. I was worried about how I was going to get this threaded in, but all I needed to do with this one was thread that on, and then just sort of slide it down and glue it onto that pipe, because I didn't know this was plastic pipe in here before, so I thought I was going to have to thread this onto metal, but it seems like they've converted it from metal to plastic just so they could have fitted it like that. Then I've added another piece, new piece of pipe up, and then a piece coming out. So this is what it looks like. This is the valve, obviously open close. It's closed now, so I'm going to turn the water on, and this sleeve here adjusts so I can sort of slide it back to the wall once I've tiled it and stuff, and then seal around it. But yeah, it's all in now. I didn't expect to use two of these, because so I actually had one of these was actually to go on the end there to screw into the shower. But obviously when I found out about this, I had to use the other one. So unfortunately I need to go and get another one of these. Probably pick up one tomorrow, and then I can glue it onto the end there, and then I can thread the shower head onto there. Alright guys, so quick update. I've been flying on. I started doing some tiling. I bleached down the walls, sprayed them with bleach, gave it a wipe down with an old rag, chucked it away, and got my mask on as well. And basically, yeah, just made a start of the tiling. So this is how I've kind of decided to do it. Pretty much fits exactly four tiles this way. Obviously trying to make it in a way so you don't have sort of odd cuts and stuff like that. But it's pretty much spot on. 4 tiles there. These tiles are about 25 centimeters each, so you've got a meter, just over a meter there. And this side is gonna get 3, which is gonna take it close to the edge here. But it's past, you know, out of the shower, which is the main thing. So it doesn't make sense me doing sort of a thin cut on the ends. So I'm gonna stop it about here, and then I'll take the paint round on that little edge there. Same thing for this side. It's gonna come literally where the old tiles were, pretty much on that line there. So yeah, just made a good start. I just done a mix, finished the mix, and that done me what you can see here. So it's got to go one more tile up, I believe. Yeah, although looking at it really and truly, I think it's spot on underneath the shower, and I think if I go one more up, it sort of goes past the window, and I think it might look a bit funny. So I might actually stop there. So if it's right underneath the shower, I think that will work, because it's way high enough as far as splash guard. Obviously I'll take this side around here as well. This side is going to be sort of that lower part, and I'll do the windowsill as well. Yeah, my shower is all on. I turned it on. No leaks, that's all good to go. So I'm stopping here with the tiling. I'm going to mix some cement in a bit, and I'm going to cement that in, so before I go today. So cracking on, going well. Alright guys, so this is cemented in. As you can see, just basically chuck some cement in there and just sort of got this pipe embedded in the wall. And yeah, that should be dry by tomorrow. And then I'll be able to sort of continue the tiling here. I'm going to take it up 1, 2, 3. That's the top of it here. It's going to come up right underneath the shower pipe. And this is pretty much what it looks like. So yeah, so tomorrow I'll definitely get this finished tomorrow. So I got a good start on it today. So yeah, tomorrow finish that round. Those 3 up here, I'm going to take it round to the side of the window, and I'm going to bring it round down this area here, and then this area here is going to come out 1 more tile, and I'll just take it all the way up to that level there. And also I'm going to do some on the windowsill. It's going to have a slight sort of slope that way. If any water splashes, it'll roll down here. I'll do some there. So I need to get some trim to go around the edge there as well. But yeah, I'm happy with that. It's looking good. Alright guys, so I'm out at just after 5 o'clock. Finally I get an early-ish day. Might get home before the sunset, get to enjoy the rest of the day. But yeah, it was a productive day today, and as I said, tomorrow going to be a good push to sort of try and really get the shower at least workable by the weekend. So I reckon I'll get that shower finished tomorrow, and by Saturday that shower will be able to be used. So let's see how I get on. But yeah, just heading on my way home now, because we've got a little bit of light. I might try and see if I can show you a little bit of the scenery on my journey home. So guys, here's a place I've never been to, Montbruce. If you look here, it says Montbruce Garrison. I've never been here before, and I've always said I'll come up here and check it out. So it's sort of like up a hill. I think there's supposed to be like a nice view from up here. So let's have a look. Hi guys, so I'm at the top of this hill. It was a little bit of a drive up, but yeah, oh wow, it is absolutely amazing view up here. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. I am on top of Roseau, which is the city, the town of Dominica, and this is basically sort of like a very high sort of panoramic view of the town. Never been up here before, never seen this before. There's supposed to be some cannons around here. There's actually a distant viewfinder sort of thing over there that you can, I guess, like a telescope or whatever you call it, binoculars. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll see if I can find where these cannons are as well. So this is the view up here. It's really hard to sort of capture it on the camera, but yeah, it's really magnificent actually. It started raining again. You can see the stadium just straight ahead there, the Windsor Park Stadium, and then you can sort of see the main town, and obviously you can see the sea on the west coast. It's yeah, it's very steep down there. You would not want to fall down there. So guys, we'll know a little bit of history as well about the area. Montbruce Garrison, the defense of Roseau. So a little bit of history shows me where I am now. You are here, Roseau from 1837, so I'm right up on the hill up here. And British attack on Roseau, 1762. I wonder who was in charge at the time. And as you can see again, 1848, Montbruce. Oh, the French French plan of Montbreuse 1780. I should have been able to tell from the uniforms. So yeah, a little bit of history here. I'll put that on the screen, so if anyone wants to read it, you can pause it and read it. So yeah, it's a little bit more history. This is the area that I'm working in, actually, around this area here, Loubier. And we are up here. And this is the direction that I go home. So I don't think I'm allowed to drive down here. The sign says you've got to leave your cars there. So I'm assuming maybe the cannons are down this way. So I'll take a little walk down here. I think, yes, it is down here. I can see this sort of white arches that looks familiar from photographs. I think it's another view here again. And I guess this is where sort of some battles took place from the invasion. Dominica has changed hands in the past so many times during the times of the colonies in the Caribbean, between the French, the Dutch, the Spanish, the English. It was like back and forth, like it lasts a few years and then someone else would take it, sort of thing. So there was a lot of battles that happened in the region. And so yeah, we've got this sort of cross, crucifix up here, and there's one cannon here. Can you imagine people firing cannons from here down to the sea to hit ships? I couldn't imagine they would be very accurate, but yeah, this is what they would have done. These are the sort of cannons that would have fired during these battles. We do have another fort to the north, which is amazing. I'm gonna try and take a trip down there and vlog that when I go down there. There's loads of cannons there. And I remember a few years ago they actually recommissioned one of the cannons and did a firing sort of thing there, which was, I saw the video actually somewhere on YouTube. It was really cool. But I've got a little bit more boards here if anyone wants to read it again. You guys can have a read. North Point Battery. So there is a trail down here that goes down here. I won't be doing that now. As I said, I'm literally just driving past from work. But I probably will visit here soon, and I'll probably vlog that on my other channel. So if you haven't already checked it out, I'll try and put the link to my vlog channel where I do sort of stuff like that, if you guys are interested to watch that. So guys, I'm getting caught in the rain. It's starting to rain again, so I'm gonna head back to the car and I'm gonna head off home. So hope you guys enjoyed that little detour at the end of my day, and see you guys tomorrow. So take care.